No more difficulty swallowing, and goodbye to the constant throat clearing. And that's Andrew because he used PyloPurge. I think he must have been opening the capsules into water, swish around your mouth, gargle and swallow to rule out or kill any H. pylori hiding in the mouth and the esophagus, for which there is no test. If you want to rule out H. pylori causing your issues and you want to try PyloPurge to do it, then start with 1 capsule before breakfast and slowly build up to 3. After 2 weeks, if you don't see an improvement, open the capsules into water, swish around your mouth, gargle and swallow. But fair warning, the taste is not good, it's very bitter, and you can add a little bit of honey to see if that helps. Best of luck.